Gator, do you want more beer can chicken? Are you in the kitchen all by yourself? Let's see. Oh, it's just an empty carcass. It's all gone. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? You want more beer can chicken? Everybody had some. It's all gone, Gator. All gone. Come on, we're gonna go get dessert. No, I'm on a diet. Gator, no more beer can chicken. I'm gonna leave you alone now. Goodbye. Goodbye.